I'ma beat your ass. What the? Little bitch.
Jump it.
Really?
Jump it. Somebody.
Please tell me my GoPro's on. Please tell me it's on. Please.
What?
Is my GoPro on?
Yeah, it's blinking.
Let's go, baby. I just got that whole thing.
Can you put this in the car?
She is party, man.
Where's
Oh.
my folder? It's in the car. I'll put that in the folder.
Here.
Can you unlock the car? Receipt.
It's already unlocked. Should be.
Now, if you turn into Crashton over there after
Hell no.
bike, I'm gonna beat your ass.
I'm a rider, baby.
I will kill you.
Can you take my spare? Can you unlock that?
Why is it taped?
Because it's new.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Can I put this on my keys?
Yeah.
Hello guys. It's a pleasure.
Fuck it, man. The only pleasure is how nice you guys were. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah.
It's fucking pain in the ass.
Yeah.
This has been worse than the car buying process with my car.
It happens like that sometimes.
It's not your fault.
If you guys need anything, you have my card. Just let me know. You guys be safe back up. Going back to Virginia.
Listen, let me tell you something. That man over there, when he first got his bike, he crashed that shit 2 hours in.
Literally.
Into a cornfield. So, we're just praying that he doesn't do the same thing.
Nah, I can ride.
You'll be good.
We already smacked their ass, so you know.
There you go.
Ride 365 days a year.
It's gonna be boots. We're gonna go with boots.
Better be boots.
Okay. Everybody was set on boots.
Well, again, if you need anything, just let me know. I don't know if you leave reviews or not.
We definitely can. I promise you, this has been, like, outside of how long it took, it's a great buying experience. Y'all are also accommodating and nice. Like, it's amazing. When I get my bike, I will be coming back here.
Most definitely.
Be good. Yeah, again, if you guys need anything, let me know. Be safe. Stay home.
Maybe I'm gonna need you to like pull out and like do a little small pull for me real quick.
Small one?
Yeah.
I gotcha.
He's got on GoPro.
Well, you gonna stay right here while he does that. This is his time to shine.
Before we hit the highway, I need gas.
He's not leaving. He'll just pull and come back to the highway.
Oh, would you look at that? Woo! Yeah, baby. Whoo, she's party, man. Yeah. What? I don't know what she said. Dude, this is unreal. She sounds so good. We'll go after this red car.
Yep. Got an opening.
Yeah. I'm about to go see her right now. She's so beautiful. So what? So? That's a you thing. That's not a me thing. I'm about to go back to her.
So that shit stinks right now. Pull that tag off.
It's that new bike smell.
Be careful.
It's the metal. It's the engine.
You look so good, babe.
It's all because of you.
Yeah, because it broke you. He said it's all because of me. Yep, that's damn sure true.
Yep.
I broke blue, so.
Oh, my kickstand. Fuck, I gotta get used to that.
I can kickstand kill switch.
Fuck.
Fuck you.
Good job, baby! Yeah! Where'd she go? Hang on, come over here. Where's she at? We're gonna slow up. Oh, this feels insane, bro. This is unreal right now. I'm fucking marrying the fuck out of her. Yeah. I mean, I was gonna do it regardless. But shit, bro. Where is she at? Okay, you want to slow up a little bit? Oh, downshift's just... I love it here. Alright, we'll get behind this truck. Let the other car pass.
She's pulling up to the merge.
There we go. You said what? Like, dude. I gotta. Hey, let's go, baby. Gotta take a right up here, baby. No, I'm saying we're taking a right. I was just letting you know.
I have the GPS up.
Oh.
I don't sell my spot.
So we're taking a left up here. Oh, she just eats, bro. She eats. Look at that. Come on over, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
It's weird because this bike has a short clutch like yours.
Yeah, get used to it.
I stalled earlier. I'm rough breaking in this fucking engine. I've not been gentle to her. I mean, I got a $0 deductible full coverage fucking warranty for 5 years, so. Yeah. Two to the three and to the four. Motherfucking out. You gotta play it. Yeah. I'm just saying. 3 to the 4. And I have ABS and shit now too.
Is that fucking so? That's fucking John, isn't it?
Nah, that's not John. Devil can't hold me down. Hi, baby. Damn, she just gonna look away from you. You're fucked.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no. Back to Hector 6.
I mean, shit. Look at you, baby. Yeah.
We're too far away from each other.
So clean.
I wanna be with you, me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole